why you might not need any life cover at all. There seems to be this misconception that if you have a mortgage, you must have life cover. So, what is life cover and do you actually need it? Life cover or life assurance is an insurance policy that will pay out if you die. Okay, so it's quite straightforward. You're either dead or you're not. There's no in between on this. But the point of life cover is to either repay a debt, like a mortgage on a home, or to provide a lump of money for your dependents to live off. So that if you are the main breadwinner in your family and you die, then your husband and your children, or your wife and your children, or whoever it is that you're with, have got enough money to raise the children, maybe not have to be at work, and that sort of thing. It's also quite common with a mortgage to take life cover because it means then that when you die, the people who you leave behind haven't got to worry about how to pay the mortgage. They know their house is safe, but also it means that if it's somebody who is going to be inheriting that property, they inherit the full value of the property and they don't have to worry about repaying a debt and they don't have to sell the house in order to clear the mortgage that's on it. So who are the people who don't need life cover? Well, if you are single and you have no dependents, you don't have any children or any adults that you pay for their care or anything like that, then strictly speaking, no, you don't need any life cover. But if you are in your 20s or 30s, you may still want to take some because the price that you take is actually guaranteed in most cases all the way through to retirement, which means it's much cheaper to take it out when you are 20 than to wait until you're 40. So by taking it out now, even if you don't really need it, it means you lock into a really, really good price. Now, you have to balance that against the fact you could be paying premiums for years for something you're not going to use. But worst case scenario, it is an extra lump of money that your family can have because there's no requirement to use it to pay off a mortgage or for anything else. It can be used by them for whatever they want to use it for. So there we go, why you may not need life cover if you don't have any dependents or you don't have any debt you need to protect. There you go.